The reason why we're celebrating Black History is because our students are elementary, and so they kind of don't get a lot of information about it. And so we wanted to make sure that they knew some specific people and maybe some specific dances. So we incorporated into our PE lesson. That way they can hear the name, or if they know the dance, okay, then they'll be able to recognize, okay, well then that's a person, they're a part of our Black history. PE, we thought, well, we could do some dance and incorporate some movements, get their bodies moving. Kind of like we talked about Don Cornelius, and then we did the Soul Train line, and the kids absolutely loved it. And they didn't realize they were celebrating Black history. They just loved to dance. And so once we put that in their mind, and then they realized, oh, okay. And so they learned a little bit more. They actually know who Don Cornelius is and what he kind of created and was known for. So we chose Doris Miller because, of course, he is a Waco native. We wanted them to know there's a big statue down there at the park that they can go look at. We also chose Madam C.J. Walker because it is a female figure and she's African American, and so most of our kids are like, wow, we didn't think that it would be a woman. They always used to it being a man, and we're celebrating Black history. And then Don Cornelius, once again, they absolutely loved it. They love to dance. Sing a song. I hope it inspires them as when they get older, they keep it going. They know who these people are, they learn a little bit more. Sing a song. They're just used to the regular national anthem. They didn't realize that there is a national Black anthem, and so that was very informative to them. Their eyes were like, oh, so there's two of them.